Yep, I'm back at the greenhouse and tornado sirens going off. That's what's going on right now. Yep. Should probably check mail in a bit. I still cannot find the cord to connect the laptop to the trail cam, so I can't do anything with that. So, yeah, first Wednesday of the month, noon, gonna have tornado sirens. Interesting sound to it. I thought I was done with shorts when I got the topics uploaded. Nope. It sounds so creepy when it's shutting off. It looks like it's done. So, stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.